Oh, Professor. Are you all right?
Well, I am, but I'm sort of tired.
Are you, dear?
Yes, today is the day that we clear out of Delapre, and so we are cleaning up after our couple of days of living history work.
Yes.
So I've cleared out the fire, and I've used a whole tube of Great Black
Oh my goodness.
to clean up the fire back here.
Yes.
And I'm in my best clothes
I can see.
because you never know who you're going to meet.
The interesting thing, though, is that you've done the entire cleaning operation with your medals on.
Well, you never know who you're going to meet.
That's true.
I carried my brush. I thought I might make a pair of epaulets. No, the thing is
Complete the
that,
ensemble.
well, this fireplace has never been used properly for
Well,
50 years, perhaps.
yes.
And so I've cleaned it really well. I've swept down the top of the inside here,
Yes.
up the chimney,
Yes.
and I've cleaned this and Great Blacked it
Yes.
so that it's all, no cobwebs and no dust. And
Yes.
I've Great Blacked the back there, the fire
Yes.
back, the iron fire back, but I've got to polish it yet. A little bit of elbow grease.
It'll look wonderful, Professor. Actually, that's a scullery maid's job, really.
Pardon?
It's a scullery maid's job.
Well, it is, but sadly the scullery maid's gone off. She's gone off to visit her granny in Rill.
I thought she was gallivanting on Jubilee Day.
Jubilee, yes, she's gone off. So it's my job to do.
Yes, well, you're doing a wonderful job.
This hearth here is crying out to be waxed, so it's much easier to sweep the ash out.
Yes.
So that's another job.
Yes.
And then we'll continue using it here at Delapre for different periods.
How lovely.
The next one, of course, is the 10th of July for the anniversary of the Great Battle of Northampton
Yes.
in 1460.
Yes, that's right.
When we'll be here as Cluniac monks and nuns.
How
And I
wonderful.
shall be playing the part of Cardinal Sin.
Sin by name and sin by nature, hey,
Yes,
Professor?
well, they haven't caught me yet. But
Wonderful.
this is one of the many jobs that flesh is heir to.
It's what we do.
We like to leave places that we visit better than when we came.
Yes, it's part of our care, isn't it?
It's all part of the care and love
Yes.
of the ancestors and the past.
Yes.
And then it makes the next job much easier to do. Look, climb up on my knee, sonny boy.
I don't think I will, thank you. I'm going to leave you
I'm a
now.
founder member of the Black Hand Gang.
I'm going to leave you now.
Bye.
Bye.